All listeners out there, turang itu betul na meramatina,
Right.
na down di susu.
Iya.
All the students are on the road.
Turang atama.
Going
Right.
going to school right now.
Uh-huh.
Yan binak rawani ni takin ni sing binak ni karabitabi. Na singa binak nikua.
Right. Good morning to all the bus riders,
Yeah.
to all the taxi riders, to all the carrier riders. LC. Nanon tabi korro na kan non ra usan iti kon na lubenda kornibuli.
Ha.
Sa
Ha.
Why under twenty and mataga ni kuwa. May kemo ni todo sara ni siya mutumay and ang wasa ni ko na ni baka tayo misiko. Di nandre mo ni carrier may
Firoskan.
May wayno Firoskan.
Another one is our brother Israel Nganibatu.
Yeah.
Thank you to Mel Netherlands from Blessed Wednesday.
Right.
From Australia.
Australia.
This
okay.
morning, and not forgetting Sweet Jamaica from Lambasa.
Right.
Napana to Tinay D, Tinay Bianca, and not
Yeah.
forgetting Tajim
Right.
and the family to Sweet Jamaica
Yeah.
this morning. War in Lambasa.
War.
They are joining now.
Wow.
War from Lambasa
Yeah.
to Tukana and Lawa. And not forgetting Tinay Mateni.
Right.
Nasena, they are now in War in Lambasa Semi.
Good morning,
Thank
good
you very
morning.
much. Thank you.
Okay, we say good morning to Tex Lule.
Right.
Tuning from his loader.
Yeah.
Langger ana mataga di kuah.
Oh.
Berapa tu leban loader? Belas tu David FM and Outs Palangi show.
Right.
This morning.
Morning, Loda. Morning.
To Seminganga klasi 1 and Bunibau Primary School.
Right.
Chone Rasiwai klasi 2 and Andrew Mainandi.
Yeah.
Thank you to Agotina Jujum Barabilala.
Okay.
To Chris William.
Yeah.
And Wangalebu, they are joining now. I don't know from where.
Right.
To Chris William Brown.
Right.
Thank you, Tabale.
Wherever
joining.
you're tuning in, wherever you are, we are
Yeah.
this morning in the Ouch Palangi show.
We say good morning
Ha.
to all the staff.
Right?
Nurse,
Right.
all the doctors around the country.
Right.
We take you on the uchira bito kani na wakata bisiri kuwa.
Yeah.
Especially to those who are admitted
Right.
at the hospital. Kita udah takkan beo kani ko ni na pa maruti kita tiko na nontangon baru taki.
Yeah.
Nonta binan rabaki na bima taka beo kani kuwa.
Every time from the Balimbula of Sabu Sabu, Lorini GS021.
Well, morning.
Health Inspector Serima Kemote Bimbinga Benrebo Poli.
Right.
Thank you very much this morning.
Let me see, how about if one time, if you become one nurse,
Yeah,
how will you feel?
I'll feel nursing.
What? How is feeling nursing? Like, explain.
Because myself too, I was trying my very best to be honest.
Oi! See?
Yeah.
See? Not only in the force.
Science. I was science. When during my growing up,
Right.
There's only two places I want to work: to be honest,
Yeah.
or to work in to be a job Cornibia.
Iya.
Oh!
Ulay buli na kani
The nurse of the cow.
agriculture sa utoray ng tambani manu-manu.
Manu-manu.
Yeah, I want to be like that.
And then?
Then from there, one of my sister changed trying my very best to be a teacher.
Oh.
So from there,
Toke may wata ka tala no mo nabali?
iyo.
Waring yo.
Waringo na nakaliba-liba.
Kaya malmal, kaya nabibinaka to kung mongoli Cornivia.
Iya binaka mole waragi ko tukir.
Bila boleh besar bagi orang driver bito kadi na matang di kuha.
Right.
Nadama na numuray de Messi.
Yeah.
And kitsa tu teo man to ka kona kani mbula.
Jinisar.
Nadama na kena nga na nonta kanya na kakana bula.
Right.
The reason why we eat healthy food because when we do something,
Yeah.
we need power, we need energy,
Okay.
we need strength. You can compile yourself in one job
Yeah.
if you don't have three things:
What the?
the life,
Okay.
the energy,
Yeah.
the force, the healthy.
Yeah.
Western
Yeah.
Force.
Western force ko rin na mata TV.
Okay.
Wait.
And then?
Yeah, because if you want to do something,
Yeah.
you need energy,
Yeah.
you need power,
Yeah.
you need life.
So eating
Healthy.
food goes
Life.
together with what?
Goes together with because life,
Yeah.
what three things?
What?
Physically,
Yeah.
mentally,
Yeah.
spiritually. These three things
Yeah.
need healthy. If
Right.
you does not have healthy in your body,
Yeah.
you lose life.
Which one is the top up one? Top up.
Top of one
Yeah.
is your mentally.
Oi.
Right.
Bahkan ya babe, no, they are three in one.
Na coffee mo ulit tagit kami uncle.
Okay.
Yeah, because
Yeah.
if you see
Yeah.
In everywhere you go,
Right.
playground,
Yeah.
in the school,
Right.
in the church,
Right.
or in whatever need you going to.
Yeah.
This reading is a main things to be
Yeah.
included.
Which
Go
one
hand
is
in
on
hand,
yeah.
top?
Okay.
Of the three, which one is on top?
They are three.
Yeah.
They are one.
So most of the listeners out there, they may say I'm not familiar with
Yeah.
how things are done in the village.
Right. Yeah.
We can't mana korro, how we live, how we tackle each day.
Right.
What kay na nonda bangatak na nonda bakasama.
Dinasara.
And nonda garabo no tabi.
Right.
What maybe like doon ngana hypothetical na kango
Yeah.
Mongole and doon nangonisala
Yeah.
tandebo.
Yeah.
How do you
Gauge.
Yeah.
That's where you use your head.
Right.
Yeah.
That's where you use your head,
Right.
your toe,
Yeah.
and your knee
Yeah.
Right.
to balance your body because
Yeah.
the tandem we all know
Yeah.
during this kind of weather, rain,
Yeah.
sun,
Yeah.
rain, sun, don't bula na kami mburi rua. Ano mga mbula tiko ba made tamani
Right.
the only police officer
Yeah.
who is a very good
Yeah.
in gooding. Don't bula na lewan devo.
Yeah.
Because
Yeah.
when we ito si very slippery when wet.
Yeah.
Sisita ke siso.
Sisi da kasi muna sere.
Yeah. Okay. Saan kita ba?
Because you have to your toe
Yeah.
and your knees should work together.
Okay.
You grip, you balance. Never walk like ding jump. No,
Yeah.
Okay.
you have to be close.
Okay. Atu.
Yeah.
Some have short toes.
Yeah.
Their toes are short.
Yeah, that's a tall guy, na.
Karena ito na ba gang ni pamurit sumingo na sa to sa odo chiro pamurit na cube tamabua.
Yeah.
Na matang di ko sa nunumay na Leoniang. Okay.
Wow.
Ke boleh.
Physically-
na buno tande bo.
Yeah.
Ay ko na nung muscle na tight. Na kida
Tight.
ng muscle.
Right.
You need to
Yeah.
tighten your muscle.
Yeah.
Your muscle is the first one to be activated
Right.
in a flight mode.
Wana na.
Squeeze.
Yeah.
Grip.
Yeah.
Squeeze.
Right.
Grip.
And control.
And control. Breathing.
Yeah.
Squeeze.
Yeah.
Grip. Control.
Okay. If you squeeze,
Yeah.
grip, and control, and you still not control,
Whose?
use.
Kapan dia ada benak Happy New Year Saturday.
Yeah.
Kapan usah itu kan matang. Okay. How about when you walk along
Yeah.
a stony
Kata-kata.
iya. Na nguni salah bibatu.
Bebatu.
Iya, track.
Be careful of your toenail.
Right.
Oh,
Because a toenail is better one-sided
Yeah.
than you kick a stone. E binakalagay mo loba mo one-side taki. May namosi etara na namutaw kukunita denga.
Oi.
Maya, when you sleep, you can't even wear trousers gloves.
Oi.
Oi.
Balitan ni namosi ni nangonon tara makanikina.
Iya.
If you kick something,
Yeah.
in little thing, pain.
Right.
If you blanket yourself,
Iya.
pain.
Iya.
And another thing,
Iya.
is flies coming,
Iya.
they pain.
Okay, this will be new to some of the listeners out there.
Yeah.
Sa nabi so peka nangonong go iliw. May nakoro kita to mga tanga na toothbrush ko na tabarikaw.
Yeah.
Which toothbrush is the best? And nanguna.
Kata ya.
Ha?
Kata ya.
Katayang ko rin na ba, libu-libu.
Which one? Which toothbrush? Or which plant?
Plants is hindi buwak.
Right.
Dari buwak, right.
Iyo.
Right.
Jadi baka may manapay.
Hindi buwak mo nang may metin na baka biomes. Nasto mo kasi.
So you bring the biomass factory.
Apakah tulo mo tagi tubo na ko ni Sisil?
Lagi orang di sama turun orang ulang.
Nakataga ng bulan na mas.
Kadibig ko naman ako. Ako to, bang G2 biomass.
Alay ka rin, hindi na ba? Hindi, hindi ka belu-belu.
Benar malam salam itu kali saya coach karena the outs palang show yang matang di kuak. Thank you so much to Punjas celebrating 90 years.
Ha. Iya, ndaro nga kita may laser semata.
Bunga tini pio seru. Ya, sana kabayan na sana ka kibini na kato na warung bulma na kibini na sa ibu beka kibini na bulma nakor.
Begitu menakor nada nanti nyosi.
Ay.
Karena kasa popole.
Iya.
Right. Nyosi. Oke, sama-sama kwa.
Iya.
Son tu mengatakan gila iso.
Iya.
Gila iso merdo toothbrush gini.
Right.
Pakai menonton Colgate.
Kalau gitu, bula.
Esa, abo en meme renam.
Iya.
Harus saya cuma na barang gisang gani.
Alright.
En mata.
Boleh siang.
Boleh siang. Bertona saya cuma leman ngoni sala oso en baitama buah.
Dombola.
Bertemu murid tu ngolo na kiu kita mo motre kan ngoni na maru tagi cura bitokani.
Naka.
Ada bakal laga taga cura na nomunitos.
Right.
Na tabi na rabaki na mata di kumbo ra kanga men tabi na rabaki.
Dia sar.
Na rebe di bina kan bul na bina rabaki men marau. Ni nonton bulan buru-buru gue leka.
Leka.
Tapi sih nanu mau wish.
Iya.
Ni baru tahu kok nomi demo. Ocu singanggo.
Iya.
Klamo
Kau sabi ngar online tiko.
Taking your last breath.
Oke, kau sembulo nasi saliu.
Saya simbol.
Wah.
Siang taruh rawa, mereka mau kila, mereka kita butuh.
Me simbol ko ya.
Iya.
Natapa, iko bina kata mo na ucu sini ke murirai.
Iya.
Ni baru rumbi terus.
Ni borong bimbing wa, kaya sembulo tiko na, kira-kira nunggu istel nga memate mai.
Oi.
Iyo, na, wati.
Siang
Malata.
Memate mikir rumah te.
Hai, mana mau dia yang kare berturungan nih?
Angon erto sana kaliu.
Yo, sebenarnya itu kali usara.
Aya.
Ni sabole itu ngago bi ko bi tere bi bulungu.
La mula medidi masomo na centenary.
Kita boleh besar betul kan nih.
Gak kita talong kasih le busaya bola tulan
Itu
tilan.
pulang le wotugo.
Olta.
Nanu mo tal. Itu aru ras lagi juga teman tutu di bunau. Kok di masuk ya. Berapa boleh besar tolong like, heart, matakan share.
Right.
En mata kadikua. Maru cina bola pakai bilang biru lebenta. Soalnya mata di mataka ngokur mundu.
Mika galon bola.
Engon de miska kaya like saya takan nonton live. Nda belo mani pakalemu. Nda taka bata. Nda nanumira nonton tokani. Era tokana nda bunda boni baba. Nda nanumir telengan nonton tokani. Era stop tunan rendre. Nda nanumir telengan nonton tokani.
Right.
Era ngandre betuna bebuke. Nonton betol lingoni sala. Dari tu ada betana irongo na libu ni lengka sala tu nonton banua.
Right.
Lamban na mate. Bimbi tukin na nonton bina numi.
Hindi
Nasa
sara.
ni kuwa. Kaya baka induan roto en gor nom do. Sember tun kile men roto ngiri lo. Pero berto ko ating goy bale. Men tapi kile ta kan bale te meka kuni lo malengka tukun le ni bu bale.